Let's make a giant frozen winter wonderland margarita. I'm currently snowed in. This margarita is essentially coconut and rosemary. Let's get started. Days we're blending today because I want it to be kind of fluffy. Like snow. Got me together. It's a 6-shot die. Thank God. We've got some triple dipper. Oh God, people are already outside shoveling. 2 ounces of trip. I made this rosemary simple syrup days. Can you believe it smells like Thanksgiving? 2 ounces of my homemade rose Mary. Coconut milk, which I need to open with a can opener. Just the worst news. Getting after it, I see. Ew, wait, why is it hard? That's what it's supposed to sound like. I found this one in my cupboard. Blessed babe. It still looks a little spooked. 2 ounces of Miss Coconut. Oh God. Come on, Gloop. Hold my hand. It's time for some lime juice. I can hear them plowing the streets. Just wish someone was plowing me instead. These limes look spectacular, as do I. Oh wow, juicy drop pop on it. 2 ounces. To make it fluffy, we need a lot of ice.
No!
I hate ice. Foul. It's foul what they're doing. Anyways, now I'm mad. Get in there. Mother. I think we'll start with that and see where it gets us. Let's hit it. She doesn't really look fluffy. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm gonna rim the glass with salt. We like haven't really done that yet, which is odd. Okay, it's sticking in enough. Let's pour. Oh God. We're gonna attempt to get some fluffy snow for the top of this. Yes. Oh, she didn't like that. Okay. Quick little garn. A little rosemary sprig. Oh my God. I feel so close to you, Snowstorm. We're practically sisters. Those will be for the days. Are you locked in your house too? Oh God. Oh God, I keep getting brain freeze though. Who's thirsty? This is really good. I'm like out of breath in a really unflattering way. All right, Days, I'm gonna go back to this. Cheese.